Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.